Good day, it's VJ from Canada, and this would be VJ's drone. Now, I've had this maybe about 4 years ago. Got it from it was Hobby in Mississauga, and I can't believe it, but I paid $500 for it. But I've got plenty of entertainment. But as you can see, there's a little bit of wear and tear on it here. I had an unfortunate accident last year where I lost control of the drone and it came crashing to the ground and killed a neighbor. Now, after that unfortunate accident, I had to put the remote control down, but in the spirit of getting back on that pony, here we go.